To use camera pro mode on the Samsung A27 5G, it's actually quite simple. Take a look. If you are gonna select any option that is here, for example the ISO, you can find this small information icon. When you tap on it, you can find a short description what it does. So now it will be much easier to understand how we can actually manage this. And the ISO we can actually set manually from 50 to 3200, and automatically by clicking on this button. If we go for a shutter speed, this is the same, manually or automatically, manually up to the 10 seconds and automatically like this. If you're gonna stay with the 10 seconds, then it will need like 10 seconds to actually capture the video. So it's very, very important to hold your phone steady, or the best option will be to put it on the tripod, to don't move it at all, because if you move the phone when you are using like above like 2 seconds, then the picture will be blurry. So it's very important. Now we can find the exposure compensation, and this is the only parameter that we can only adjust, manually from +4 to -4. There's also focus range, so we can adjust focus manually like this for a specific range, or automatically, so it's autofocus. And here we can also find the white balance manually or automatically. And when you close this menu, we can click here, and we can also find another parameters that we can adjust, like contrast, highlights, and so and so. By clicking here, we are able to switch the matrix mattering. Also, if we are gonna change it, we can find a short description when to use it. For example, this one, is actually good for broad, well length escapes. And that's pretty much it. This is how we can use it. By clicking here, we can also find some other options like aspect ratio, timer, but yeah, that's all for that video. I hope you find it useful.